8 amazing skills to learn @ Unlock 3.0. These skills are the most important and can make you earn money just by learning and executing these skills in the market. Watch till the end to know where these skills can be learned for free. So stay connected and keep watching. First is the video editing. Video editing is an unique skill which you can learn using a computer or a laptop or from various apps present in Play stores using a smartphone. But for professional editing, specialization in software such as Premiere Pro, After Effects and Photoshop should be there. These editing softwares is in high market demand with rise in YouTube videos @ Unlock, various social networking, ad shoots, films, wedding photo shoot videos, and many more can be done anywhere inside the benefit of your home. I also edit my videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. Very simple to learn and implement. So you can learn and use your time wisely in learning these important skills of future. Next is the product promotions. There are various paid product promotions as you see in multiple YouTube channels, Facebook, Instagram, etc., where products are sold through words of a social media influencers. They get some commissions on every sale of the products, and also some sell their own products or services. These are free promotions with interest of profit for their own businesses. So as we are talking about product promotion, I would like to present on behalf of my friend Sandeep. He is here with an unique product of Bodha Saloon Kit, which each and every customer should possess while going to a salon. It includes a cape, razor and a gel coated organic shaving brush. Let's have a look at a Bodha kit. Firstly, a cape, which is a single use cape, the size being simple and sustainable and also affordable. Secondly, a gel coated brush. Just dip the dry brush in water and apply that on a face. You will be surprised to know that this brush is purely organic, made up with banana plant fiber waste. Lastly, a razor, which is foolproof razor having a great quality blade. And again, the motive is single use and single use affordable product. Prevents you from corona, hepatitis, HIV and other communicable diseases which will be spread through sharing products. Thus protects yourself and your family. The product provides safe, convenient and smooth shave. This is Bodha. To buy this product, you may contact my friend Sandeep. Here's his contact details. So next time when you're going to salon or calling a barber at home, you should have this organic and single use product. Next is digital marketing. Digital marketing is an innovative way of selling your products or services online with the help of ads, search engine optimization, use of media, etc. This can be easily learned and implemented at this scenario of corona, where one can't step out of home to give its services or sell his or her products to the consumers or customers through door-to-door or in markets. That's where digital marketing plays its roles with various ads and SEO creation to boost up the sales of various businesses and market their services to all over the world in a single click of internet. Here you can attract your target audiences and you can also select a particular range of location to attract particular customers. So learn it, you will definitely be benefited at this point of time. Coming to website designing, which is the fourth skill. Websites are in high demand where products are sold online through directly accessing the website links and buying the products directly. Here also services can be offered. This skill is must learn in this time where you can design websites for several new businesses and firms which are opening in a day, who are always in demand of an innovative websites and designs to attract new customers and clients. Website designer is someone who prepares content, styling and layout for web pages. Designing is a skill which will teach you how to be creative and attractive in order to increase the traffic in your client sites or your sites. Learning this skill will attract multiple businesses and you can charge depending on your favors and your efforts. So learn this. Next, the most important one, online tutoring. This situation demands online tutoring, where everything is under stall and schools, colleges are shut. Everyone is moving online. In current scenario, teachers, professors, tutors are ought to adapt teaching students online. If you have the skills of teaching and wants to create impact among students, dig down to this booming industry, which is predicted to enter a $300 billion industry by 2025. You can teach any topics related to science, arts, culture, sports, and many skills which you can share through the medium of internet. As APJ Abdul Kalam says, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If people remembers me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. And from the past, we Indians have teachings in blood, and since past we gave various theories relatively proved. So try it out. It will bring back your old learnings. Next is the copywriting skills. This skill has recently drawn attention of various youths who are packed in homes, tries to make a sale using just sentences, also called copywriting. You have seen various emails, Facebook posts, and other attractive contents which draws your attentions immediately to buy the product or at least visit the store or website. Thanks to the copywriters who digs to your heart to make a sale. A normal copywriter can charge around rupees 3,000 to rupees 30,000 per copy, depending on the length of sentences or use of words. But if you become the master of that field, you will be amazed that a single copy can earn you in lakhs, ranging to 10 lakhs also, depends on the business which you are writing for. Some may say that you need English to be perfect to learn copywriting skills. I say no, because this is a sales skill and there are only 60 countries which speaks English. But if you are good at any other language which may be spoken in your country, try to use it to sell a product through words. That's what this skill can do. Now coming to my favorite, fitness and motivations. Everybody has to be fit to live longer and healthier, to take part in any day-to-day activities. In this crucial time, fitness will play an important role to boost your immunity and health to face any circumstances boldly. As you become a part of fitness, motivation automatically comes in. Suppose to build a body bit more muscular or to decrease your weights. These kind of motivations automatically affects your work, where you are enthusiastic enough to complete your work on time and are in energetic mood or spend some auspicious time with your family members and families. Health and fitness will always be needed, and from ancient times in India, yoga, Kalaripayattu, a martial art similar to karate, kabaddi, a modern day of wrestling, etc., are always part of our physical and mental fitness program. These activities always drives motivations to win and always defeat the chances of losing and keep learning from mistakes. Everything you need is already inside. At last, the very important skills of all is this. This is the life skills. The skills which are very difficult to develop, but once developed, you can create a whole new world of achievements. Life skills includes your communication or convincing skill, leadership qualities, team management skills, persuasive skills, oratory skills, and many more. These are your inner skills which your life experience teaches you with time. But if you try to develop these skills as early in life as possible by reading some interesting and knowledgeable books at least for 15 to 30 minutes daily, as we know, author shares his experience through books. As many books you read, those experiences will be with you. So try to make book your friend and learn from your friend's experience. As I hinted you in the earlier of the video that I will tell you where I have learned these skills or where I am learning it. So these skills can be learned at Udemy, the #1 app to learn some of the greatest softwares and skills. They do charge you some fees, but most of them are free. And also I would like to suggest learnvern.com. where you can learn everything for free. But for certificates and online exams, you have to pay. Also, I would like to point out that these learning portals have not sponsored me, and I am just genuinely profited from these portals, and I love sharing it. Finally, all these skills are money making, which can make you rich and successful in no time. But first, learn. Then only you can think about earning. Okay? Thank you and keep watching the videos.